Hi and welcome. Mahesh is a tall boy. Mahesh is taller than Naresh. Mahesh is the tallest boy in the class. In the first sentence, tall is an adjective. In the second, taller. And the third, tallest. In the first sentence, the adjective is describing about only one boy, that is Mahesh. And in the second, taller, the adjective is describing two boys, actually comparing two boys, that is Mahesh with Naresh. Whereas in the third sentence, the adjective tallest is comparing Mahesh with all other boys in the class. So the adjective is changing, the movement it is changing, the comparison is also changing. So in the first sentence, the adjective is said to be in positive degree, the second comparative degree, whereas in the third sentence it is said to be in the superlative degree. So in this video you are going to learn about positive, comparative and superlative degrees of adjectives. So shall we start? But before we start, if you haven't subscribed this channel, I'd be really very happy if you please click on the subscription bell like buttons and do share the video so that I can come up with many this kind of videos in the future. And if you're ready, let's start. Welcome back. The word degree stands for the level of quality, and levels in adjectives are called degrees. So based on the level or levels of degrees, the adjectives are divided into three stages. They are positive degree, second one comparative degree, and the third one is superlative degree. Let's try to know more about these degrees of adjectives. The first one is positive degree. So it is used to describe a noun, a single noun. For example, Sita is a good girl. So here good is an adjective. It is describing only one girl, that is Sita. So good is in positive degree adjective. In a similar manner, Raju is a short boy. So here short is a positive degree adjective because short is describing only one person, that is Raju. So short is in positive degree. So this sentence is in positive degree. The second one is comparative degree. So here this comparative degree is used to compare two persons, two things or animals. Sita is better than Geeta. So here better is an adjective. It is comparing Sita and Geeta. So these two persons are compared. And there is a word than. So this is always appeared in comparative degree. So adjective is usually followed by the word than in comparative degree. So in similar manner, Raju is shorter than Ravi. So here Raju and Ravi, both the persons are compared. So shorter is an adjective. So it is comparing Raju and Ravi and saying Raju is shorter than Ravi. So comparative degree, we compare two persons, two things or two animals. And the third one is superlative degree. So superlative degree is used to compare more than two persons, things or animals. So here normally the adjective is the highest quality of a degree. For example, Sita is the best girl in the town. So Sita is the best girl. So the word best is in the superlative degree. So here Sita is compared to all other, more than two. So that's the reason it is in superlative degree. In a similar manner, Raju is the shortest boy in the class. So here Raju is compared to all other boys in the class. So that is the reason it is in superlative degree. The shortest is an adjective. It is in superlative degree. And if we observe, the article the or the is preceded by the adjective, that is best and shortest. So before the adjective we get article the in superlative degree. That is very, very important to remember. So by this we understand that every adjective has three forms: positive form, comparative form and superlative form. Let us take some adjectives and see what exactly the forms of them when they are in positive, comparative and superlative. The first category of them are small, it's a positive form, smaller, comparative, smallest is a superlative form. If you add er, it becomes comparative. If you add est, it becomes superlative. In a similar manner, tall, taller, tallest, bold, bolder, boldest, kind, kinder, kindest. This is one category. When we add er, it becomes comparative, est, it becomes superlative adjective. The second category is beautiful, is a positive degree adjective. If you add more, it becomes comparative. More beautiful is a comparative degree adjective. If you add most, it becomes a superlative adjective, most beautiful. So in a similar manner, difficult, more difficult, most difficult. Courageous, positive degree, more courageous, comparative degree, most courageous, superlative degree. Industrious, positive degree, more industrious, comparative degree, most industrious, superlative degree. The third category is we have entirely different word in positive, comparative and superlative degrees. For example, good, evil, it's a positive adjective, whereas in comparative it becomes better, in the superlative it becomes best. So there is no relation. The entirely different words appear here. In a similar manner, bad, evil, ill, they are positive degree. In the comparative they become worse. In the superlative, worst. In a similar manner, little, less, lesser is comparative form, least is superlative form, much is a positive form, more is comparative form, most is superlative form of the adjective. So this is how any adjective will have three forms. They are positive, comparative and superlative forms. Now let us see how a sentence is interchanged from positive to comparative, comparative to superlative. There are five categories of sentences. When they are in positive, how to change them into comparative and how to change them into superlative degree. For example, the type 1 is if there is no other, as, or so as in positive degree, it becomes than any other in comparative and the in superlative. If we take them in sentences, no other actor is as tall as Prabhas. So no other as tall as Prabhas. This is a positive degree sentence. And if you want to change it into comparative, Prabhas is taller than any other actor. So than any other, we added this. Whereas if we change this into superlative, Prabhas is the tallest actor. That's it, the tallest actor. This is type 1. The type 2 sentence is if we see very few as in positive degree, it becomes than many other in comparative. In superlative, it becomes one of the in superlative. And if we see them in example, very few actors are as tall as Prabhas. Very few as tall as. So very few actors are as tall as Prabhas. This is in positive degree, and if we change it in comparative degree, Prabhas is taller than many other actors. So many other actors. And in superlative degree, Prabhas is one of the tallest actors. So one of the. So this is how it is changed in type 2. In the third type, if we see not as in positive degree, it is changed as than in comparative degree, and there is no superlative degree for type 3 sentences. For example, if you see them in sentences, Mahesh is not as tall as Prabhas. Not as. If you change it into comparative, Prabhas is taller than Mahesh. And there is no superlative degree for this because we are comparing only two persons here. When we compare two persons, there will not be any superlative degree for it. And this is type 3 sentence. And type 4, if we have at least as in positive degree, it becomes not than in comparative degree, and there will not be any superlative degree for this also. For example, Prabhas is at least as tall as Mahesh. At least as tall as. So Prabhas is at least as tall as Mahesh. This is in positive degree, and we can change it into comparative. It becomes Mahesh is not taller than Prabhas. Mahesh is not taller than, not than. So this is in comparative degree, and there is no superlative degree for this type of sentences also, because only two persons are compared in this type of sentences. So the third type of sentence is, if we have some, at least, as in positive degree, we have not, than, some other in comparative degree, and in superlative, not, the. This is how it appears in superlative degree. For example, let us take a sentence. Some actors in the film industry are at least as tall as Prabhas. At least as tall as some. So this is how it appears in positive degree, and in comparative degree, Prabhas is not taller than some other actors in the film industry. Not than some other. So this is how it appears in comparative degree. Let us see it in superlative degree. Prabhas is not the tallest actor in the film industry. Not the tallest. So this is how it appears in superlative degree. So these are all the 5 types of sentences that we normally see in positive, comparative and superlative degrees. Let us take one more example and try to understand these 5 types of sentences in a better and in an easy manner. The first type of a sentence is, no other boy in the class is as clever as, or so clever as, Surya. This is in positive degree, and if you change it in comparative degree, Surya is cleverer than any other boy in the class. Than any other. This is in comparative degree, and superlative degree, Surya is the cleverest boy in the class. The cleverest. This is in superlative degree. This is type 1. In type 2, very few boys in the class are as clever as Surya. Very few as. This is in positive degree, and in comparative degree, Surya is cleverer than most other boys in the class, or many other boys in the class. So most other, many other. This is in comparative degree, and in superlative degree, Surya is one of the cleverest boys in the class. One of the. And this is the type 2 sentence, and the type 3 sentence is positive degree. If you see, Akash is not as clever as Surya. So this is positive degree, not as. So in comparative degree, Surya is cleverer than Akash. Cleverer than. This is in comparative degree, and there will not be any superlative degree for this type of sentence, because there is only comparison between two persons. And if you take the fourth type of sentence, Akash is at least as clever as Surya. At least as. This is in positive degree, and if we change it in comparative degree, Akash is not cleverer than Surya. Not than. So this is in comparative degree, and again there is no superlative degree for this sentence, because there is a comparison between two persons, that is Akash and Surya. Let us take the fifth type of sentence. Some boys in the class are at least as clever as Surya. So some, at least, as. So this is type 5, and this is in positive degree, and let us change it into comparative degree. Surya is not cleverer than some other boys in the class. Not than some other. This is in comparative degree. Let us change it into superlative degree. Surya is not the cleverest boy in the class. Not the. So this is how we change this sentence into superlative degree. So these 5 types of categories are normally seen in positive, comparative and superlative degrees in English language. So I hope you have understood that a positive degree adjective talks about a single noun, a single person, thing or an animal, whereas comparative adjective talks about two persons, things or animals, whereas the third superlative adjective talks about more than two persons, things or animals. So I hope you have understood it very clearly. If you really like this video, don't forget to click on the subscription bell like button, and do share the video so that I can come up with many this kind of videos in the future. Thank you very much for watching the entire video.